Hello everyone, I'm Bami Kole Hope, the founder of Kole Forex Academy, live on Hasty Show. Thanks so much for this opportunity. I've been trading for about 3.5 years now, and for the past 2 years, I've dedicated my time in teaching and training people. I think it's something I have passions for, training people, imparting knowledge, and in short, getting over the whole Africa and empowering people with knowledge of Forex market. I was a project manager in a construction firm. We're doing fine well. Just that I've seen the Forex market as the next generation market in which I would like to take the advantage in. So I left that job to start off trading Forex. Fine, I lost almost all the savings I have in less than 3 months. And in respect to that was when I know that I need to go back to school to learn, not just reading, practice what I've learned. And here we are today. We are back stronger and doing greater. I think misinformation was the first thing. We have this picture for Forex trader that can come in and make them millions overnight. But by the time you come into the game, you find out that Forex is a business. In short, it's a process that you need to take time. We've spent close to about 4 to 5 years in our institutions. So if you have not come in to learn Forex, that you want to make the millions overnight, it doesn't work like that. So you need to build yourself. It's a process. And that's why we have the likes of patience pays the bills. You need to take that time to build yourself to get to that level. There's a general says that practice makes perfect. By my own dictionary, obsession makes perfect. After losing those money, the best thing I can do was to go back to my hiding place to rebuild myself. And I practice a lot, but being obsessed with the process gave me an edge in the market. So the act of getting a good mentor, working on myself, studying, during the school time now, we always give our time to study, but in Forex market, you are student always. So you read, you study, you build yourself, take your journal, and here we are doing better today. Lack of mentorship has been the major problem, because you are coming to a kind of industry that you need to learn from those people who has passed through the same process you want to pass through. So by the time you have somebody can hold your hand to success, then it makes the whole journey very simple for you. Because the mentor you want to go and meet now has passed through that process for about 2, 3, 4 years. So you just to come to the mentor, copy what that mentor is doing, then become profitable in a very short time. So having a good mentorship and somebody who's ready to teach you and learn from it is one of the major things. My advice to the aspiring Forex traders is to see Forex as a profession, as a business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a process, which I always advise that focus on the process, not the immediate result. So if you are coming in, get a good mentor. You can reach to us through our social media platform, the IG, which is Kole Forex Academy, and also through our email, koleforexacademy@gmail.com. You can always contact us through the phone numbers you have on the screen. We're always there for you.
Kole Effect, patience pays the bills.